So to prep this MDF for our sign, I used a shellac-based primer and then topped that with an acrylic latex glossy black paint. And as you can tell, things are already not going great. I chose a 1/4 inch end mill for both the profile and the pocket cut on this. And I think my error was in choosing an upcut end mill because as you can see, it's just not doing it. And in my annoying eternal optimism, here I come with a vacuum as if that's going to save this project. Yeah, not so much. But you know, at this point, I still kind of had hope for this despite the way it is looking. But as we will very soon find out, my optimism was unfounded, unfortunately. But I don't like to give up. I don't know about you, so we're not going to give up on this project just yet. I did manage to make this project salvageable eventually, but at the end I'll show you what it looks like using a downcut end mill so you can get a better idea. Oh, jump scare. Sorry. So yeah, obviously had my work cut out for me a little bit salvaging this project. I used a little tool to shave off those bad edges and sanded this piece down quite a bit. And it doesn't look totally awful. As you can tell, though, it does need some touching up. So I'm going to get a little paintbrush and make those touch-ups. Here we are, though, to show you what it would look like with a downcut end mill. So my takeaways from this are: don't get discouraged, don't give up, don't use the wrong end mill, and don't stop making.